Today, we are diving deep into Warren Buffett's 1992 letter to Berkshire Hathaway shareholders, a letter that delivers some of the most profound and enduring investment philosophy insights. This letter is remarkable because it tackles the false dichotomy between value and growth investing, introduces a universal formula for valuation that applies to all assets, and delivers Buffett's famous margin of safety principle. We also get a scathing critique of the strong options accounting that proved to be decades ahead of its time. We'll explore as to why all intelligent investing is value investing, how to use discounted cash flows to value any asset, why the secondary market offers better opportunities and new issues, and how the corporate bloat destroys shareholder value. Plus, we hear the delightful story of Mrs. B signing a non-compete agreement at the age of 99. Most importantly, this letter shows how mastering fundamental principles creates a framework for making intelligent investment decisions across all market conditions. Value and growth investing are joined at the hip. The insight out here being that the supposed opposition between value and growth investing is false. Growth is simply one component in calculating value, and all intelligent investing seeks value at least sufficient to justify the price paid. Buffett's perspective, Warren Buffett dismantles the artificial distinction between value and growth. He says that in our opinion, the two approaches are joined at the hip. Growth is always a component in the calculation of value, constituting a variable whose importance can range from negligible to enormous and whose impact can be negative as well as positive. We think the very term value investing is redundant. What is investing if it is not the act of seeking value at least sufficient to justify the amount paid? Why this matters? This insight eliminates the confusion between investment styles and focuses attention on what really matters. Paying less than something is worth. Whether a company grows fast or slow is irrelevant if you're not getting the adequate value.